formula. X-intercept is equal to 2 root of g square minus c. Y-intercept similarly 2 root f square minus c. X-intercept meaning what? Y-intercept meaning what? So here circle S is equal to 0. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, origin. This circle intersect on x-axis at A and B points. This is A point, this is the B point. This AB is the x-intercept. X-intercept. The circle S is equal to 0 will intersect at A and B points. Then AB is the x-intercept and y-intercept is the this is C point, this is the D point. Suppose this is the y-intercept. Y-intercept. Okay, how it will come? 2 root g square minus c, 2 root f square minus c. For the circle S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This circle will cuts at A and B points on x-axis. This circle will cut at A and B points. Then AB is the length of the intercept. So A, B, x coordinates are there, but y coordinates are 0. This is x1 0, this is x2 0. Y coordinates are 0. So if we put y is equal to 0 in above equation, this equation comes x square plus 0 plus 2gx plus 0 plus c is equal to 0 coming. After this, x square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0 will come. So this is the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation in terms of x. In terms of x, this equation. So equation has the roots. Roots are let x1 and x2. So sum of the roots x1 plus x2 is the sum of the roots. Sum of the roots. Formula sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Minus b means quotient of x. Ax square plus bx plus c. A is 1, b is the 2g, c is the c. So minus b by a, sum of the roots. That is minus 2g by 1, only minus 2g. And product of the roots, x1 multiply x2. This is the product of the roots. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. Here sum of the roots minus b by a, product of the roots c by a. A is 1 here. So finally product x1 x2 is equal to c by 1, c. From this we find the x1 minus x2, otherwise x2 minus x1. This difference up to here x2, this is x1. Otherwise you write here x2, this is x1. Any x2 0, x1 0. Otherwise it is x1 0, x2 0. Any that difference. But AB is equal to modulus of x1 minus x2. Modulus means plus or minus x2 minus x1, otherwise x2 minus x1 also. Next. So A minus B is written as under root of x1 plus x2 whole square minus 4 x1 x2. One formula is there. A minus b is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. This is the one formula in the 11th standard. So ab is equal to under root of x1 plus x2 how much? Sum of the roots minus 2g. Minus 2g whole square minus 4 into x1 x2 is the c value. So ab is equal to root of 4g square minus 4c. Here we take 4 common, g square minus c, 4 outside, 2 root g square minus c. This is AB. This is the length of x-intercept. Similarly, we can prove that y-intercept is equal to 2 root f square minus c. These are the lengths of the intercepts, x-axis and y-axis. After that, another note: if the circle S is equal 0 touches the x-axis, then condition touch the x-axis means that the intercept value 0. There is no intercept, value is 0. AB is equal to 0. That means AB is what? 2 root of g square minus c is equal to 0. So finally g square minus c is equal to 0. We write. After that g square is equal to c coming. If g square is equal to c, that circle touches the x-axis. That is the condition. And similarly, the circle S is equal to 0 touches the y-axis. Then f square is equal to c. If the circle touches the x-axis, condition is g square is equal to c. If the circle touches the y-axis, f square is equal to c. Another way, if the circle touches both the axes, x and y-axis, then what? If the circle will touches the x and y axis, then g square is equal to f square is equal to c. G square f square is equal to c. That values are equal. Fourth problem, page number 182. Find the equation of the circle with center 2, 3. And passing through the intersection of the lines, intersection of the lines, 3x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 4x plus y minus 27 is equal to 0. Center given, radius is not given. So according to this data, this is the center 2, 3. The two lines intersect on the circle. This equation 3x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is 4x plus y minus 27 is equal to 0. We find the intersection of this point. After that, we calculate distance from here to here. This is the radius. Center here, radius here. Then we find the circle equation. So, solving given equations, solving given equations, 3x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 4x plus y minus 27 is equal to 0. Here 3x, here 4x, here 2y. So multiply with 2 here. 3x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 as it is. And the next equation 8x plus 2y minus 54 is equal to 0. Second equation multiply by 2. 2 into 4 8x, 2 into y 2y, 2 into 27 minus 54. So on addition 2 by 2 by cancel 11x. This is minus 55. X is equal to 55 by 11. It is equal to 5. X value 5. So put x is equal to 5 in equation 3x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. 3 into 5 minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. 15 minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. 14 is equal to 2y. So y is equal to 7. So this is the intersection point. X comma y is equal to 5 comma 7. This point P5 comma 7. So radius is equal to CP. We know this. R is equal to distance between the 2 points. CP x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So x1 is the 5, x2 is the 2 whole square. 7 minus 3 whole square. This is 3 square 9. This is 4 square 16. It is 25 under root is equal to 5. R is equal to. He asking what asking? Find the equation of the circle. So equation of the circle with center C 2 comma 3 and radius is 5. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 5 square. This is the final equation. It's enough. Question number 5. Obtain the equation of the circle. Obtain the equation of the circle for which 3 comma 4 and 2 comma minus 7 are the ends of a diameter. Are the ends of a diameter. We know already diameter form. AB, A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Then equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle in diameter form. So we write the points first. A is equal to x1 y1. It is the 3 comma 4. B is equal to x2 y2 is equal to 2 comma minus 7. So equation of the circle in diameter form in diameter form x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So x minus x1 over 3 x minus 2 plus y minus 4 multiply y minus minus or minus plus 7 is equal to 0. On multiplication x into x is x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 plus y square minus 4y plus 7y minus 28 is equal to 0. In order x square plus y square minus 3x minus 3 minus 2 minus 5x. Here 7 minus 4 plus 3y constant 6 minus 28 minus 22 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. A circle of area 9.5 square units has two of its diameters along the lines x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle. Already we done this type of problem previously. Solution. Area given. Area is equal to 9.5 given. Area formula 5r square is equal to 9.5. 5 cancel. R square is equal to 9. R is equal to 3. For the center we solve the equations. For the center we solve the equations. X plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. On summation y gets cancelled. 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3 coming. Put x is equal to 3 in x minus y is equal to 1. 3 minus y is equal to 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to y. Y is equal to 2. So point center is C is equal to 3, 2. After that already we got R is equal to 3 radius. So equation of the circle is in the form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 3 square. This is x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y is equal to 9. On simplification x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y. Here 9 4 13. 13 minus 9. Otherwise 9 gets cancelled both sides, remaining 4 only. This is the required equation.